Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just drop ship from Alibaba to Shopify. So to do that, we have to just log in with our ID or sign up with the account. So first here at the left corner, as you can see apps option, here we have to go and just search as Alibaba. Okay, so we have to search as Alibaba and here we have to wait till it searches. So as you can see, here is first link coming Alibaba. So it's absolutely free. Okay, so it's free. So let's see the ratings. So ratings is not good. It's 1.8 as you can see. So we like I think it's not a good site, but let us move for a really different for the video. So as you can see, we have to just click on add app. So it will take a while. So here you can see we have a option to install app at the right corner. So here we can read the term and condition. If you want to read, then here we have to click at install app. So as you can see, it's loading. So here Shopify is installing the app into our Shopify store. So as you can see, we have to just like here you can see it's here our Shopify workstation, and as you can see, so here is our search product. As you can see, so here we can just search the product. So first we have to open here our Alibaba and we'll search Alibaba and have to open the first link. So as you can see here it's coming. So here you can go in trending section and just as you can see the prices. Okay, so we can sell this jacket or this drone. So let us sell this drone. So this drone cost you about like a $55. So we can just copy this as you can see. So we can just copy this. So here you can see here is our the super deals top selling items. So I have to just open here, for we can just open here as our iPhone X temper glass. We can sell more items you can see. So we can sell this trimmer. So let's go for this. So first I will copy here the link, then I have to go to here drop shipping on Alibaba, and here I have to just paste it. So by pasting here you have to just click on search. So it will search for the product. So it's loading. So as you can see this product is not available, that's why it's not looking, can't find the result. So we can see for the other products. So let's see, let's go for this product. So just we can just copy and paste the link and see which product is available or not in Alibaba. So as you can see, you can search this as this product. So this is also like not available, I think so. Yes, this is also not available. So as you can see, uh, there are many products not available. So I'm going to like my product list. So as you can see, like I have added my store this is previously. Okay. So as you can see, I have added this products also. So I have to go to like here as view original detail. You can just add it for one more time. You can just go to search product hour. So here you can see the product. So here we will copy the link and we will paste on this Alibaba as you can see. So we can just paste it and search. So it will not show because it's a link. So to search the product we can just go back and we can scroll down and we can see the products. So we can search, like, take this product, as you can see, so we can sell it. So here you can see we can just import to import list. So this product is importing. Okay, so please try another product to import. You can just try this product. Yes, this is imported. So as you can see, we can go to our import list. So here you can see, so we can just directly push to our store. As you can see here, like here will be shipping cost, so our profit will be like $5 in per sale. So I will add to the store. As you can see, push to store. So here it's pushing. So it's pushed. Okay, so we can just open here our product section. So here you can see the product has been added. So this is how you can just drop ship with your uh, Alibaba.com or AliExpress. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.